go fast. Whee! Oh, Mommy's gonna catch you. No! Huh? Sammy? Go, horsey! Oh! Look what I got for you! Yay! My favorite! I will play with you forever! Aww. My old rattle, I still remember. Those were the days. Huh? But I don't expect anyone. Did someone leave us a baby? Uh-oh. Open the garage. The car is coming. Not hungry? I know. No one can resist the charm of my old baby rattle. Huh? You don't like it? Please don't cry, baby, or I will cry too. This is a nightmare.
Oh no! Is someone crying? Sammy? What's going on here?
Here, Sue, read this.
Dear Sam, look after the baby while Ken and I expedition in the Tibidaba mountains. Yours, Barbie.
Sue, help me! He cries all the time and it makes me cry too!
It's okay, Sammy. I'll help you. Just pull yourself together.
Oh, thank you. I could really use a break. Oh, come on. What a strange poppet. It refuses to pop.
It's because it's not a poppet. Better relieve some stress with this.
Oh, okay.
And we will use this thing to make a rattle for the baby.
By the way, do you think the baby will like, hey, a lollipop? Oh, no.
Sammy, babies can't have lollipops anyway. But these little pieces are just what we need for the rattle.
It's hygiene time. Hey, come back. That's for me.
I think this would be just right for the handle. Now we can put everything together.
Sue, can you hurry up or I might start crying again?
Please don't. I'm almost done. Hey, little fella, look what I got for you.
Phew, the little guy is happy again. Ouch! Huh? I think he just bit me, Sue. Ah, Sue, he's gonna eat me. Hurry, we need to find food. Ouch! Ow, please stop.
This could make a nice baby bottle. Sammy, have you seen my nail file?
Here it is. Want your nails done? Me and my assistant will give you the best nail design ever.
No, thanks. Just the nail file, please.
Oh, well, ouch! Sue, hurry up. He's at it again.
I'm trying, Sammy. Distract the baby for now.
Drawing is a great and relaxing distraction. I don't like this, Sue. He's up to something.
Oh, Sammy, don't be dramatic. He's just hungry. But the bottle will be ready soon, and we will feed him.
You're right. He's just a hungry little baby. What's happening? Where are you dragging me?
Okay, our bottle is ready.
I may be pink, but I'm not candy.
Hey, little buddy, don't eat Sammy. Better try this.
What's that? Oh no, Sue, dirty diaper alert.
Don't panic. I know just what to do.
Look, I found a bond.
Great. It's just what I need.
Hey, what are you doing with my perfect bun?
Let's say it's a very special bun. And the last piece, voila!
Oh, cool. Now you'll be clean and smell good. Looks like someone could use a bath companion. Just a little bit more here and there. Uh-huh, nice. Behold, the coolest bath ducky ever is coming. At least that's what I meant to make. What do you say, Sue?
Not bad. Let me just work it up a bit. Now that's more like it.
You're right, but still something is missing.
How about a nice little beak? And the eyes, of course.
Sue. I'll take it from here. Focus, Sammy. You can do it. That's what I call perfection.
Here's your new friend.
Yay!
Baby seems to love his new bathing companion.
Right, that's taken care of. Now it's time for the hair wash.
Sammy, where did you go?
Hair wash time, duh.
Weren't we bathing the baby?
The baby? Right, I forgot.
All right. We need to make a special baby shampoo.
I also wanted to show you this weird thing I found.
Oh, it's a bottle cap. See, that's to keep the shampoo from spilling. And of course, a bright label so you don't mix up the bottles. Hey, little guy, close your eyes for me.
What else do we need? Hey, who scattered all this stuff around?
Aren't you the one who did it, Sammy? But it's okay. We can make baby oil from this.
Leave it to me, Sue. It will be done in no time. So, you were saying? No way. She did all this? Awful.
Hold on, please.
Why? Whoopsie.
Good thing I have a spare. Now, the label. Here we go.
This can be dangerous. We need to move all this before the little guy gets to it.
Good call, Sammy. In the meantime, I'll finish with the baby oil. That's it. No more irritations. Here it is. Huh? Where's the baby?
What's up, little fella? Want your mommy? Oh, he must be teething. My mama always said that the best thing against teething is lollipops. Whoa, maybe it only works for baby slimes?
I think he needs a pacifier, Sammy. Something like this. We only need a holder.
Hey guys, don't forget to give our video a like. Hey, I'm not done yet.
You might not be done yet, but the baby won't wait. There we go. Now, why don't you give it a try? That's so sweet. Uh-oh, he's crying again. Was it a bad dream?
I know a perfect remedy for bad dreams. Oh, whoa. We need to make a teddy bear. Can you help me, Sue?
Sure thing, Sammy. I'm already on it.
Here are the paws. Our teddy bear must be super cuddly.
You are absolutely right, Sammy.
Check me out, Sue. Do you think I look like a teddy bear?
You sure do. But let's finish this one and give it to the baby, okay?
Oh, I can't wait to show it to him.
Sammy, you're scaring him. We should finish it up first.
Oh no, not again. Hush, little baby, don't cry, come on.
We can't keep the baby waiting for too long. Let's speed up. There you go, sweetie. He will protect your dreams.
So cute. They make me sleepy too.
Alrighty, just a little bit more.
Sue, I have to admit, these earrings are different sizes and don't look good.
Then, it's good these aren't earrings, Sammy.
And why there's a birthday hat lying around anyway?
You're not grabbing it, Sammy. Look.
Oh, I think I get it now. 1, 2, 3. Yay, it's the best baby toy ever!
Hey, buddy, it's for you.
Oh yeah, that was a great idea. That'll keep him busy. Huh? Oh no, little guy, where are you? There you are. Since you want to go out so badly, I know what we need. Bam! A baby stroller.
This could actually work, Sammy. Well done. But what color should we make our stroller?
Oh, the baby has great taste. I like that color.
And we'll add some ornaments, too.
Oh no, that's not how you use a plate. There, see? The food goes on top of the plate.
That's right. Except it's not a plate. It's a wheel. And of course we won't forget about the baby's comfort. Here goes a soft blanket.
What about the pillow? Don't forget the pillow.
Here we go. Now, the little guy is all set for a nice stroll. In the meantime, let's take a look at all the crafts we've made today. Wow, we had a really busy day today. Friends, don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to this channel, of course. I hope you will subscribe too, little man.
Hey guys, we're back. Thanks for watching our baby. We need to go now. See you around.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Oh, right. Bye.
Amateurs.